When I was in Okinawa, one of the longest living islands on the planet, I met a physical therapist named Mr. Sato. He had been working with the elderly for over 30 years and welcomed me with that calm, warm smile so typical of the Okinawans while I was in his small clinic. He told me something I have never forgotten. Here, we don't try to fight aging. We simply learn to move along with it. That day, he showed me 3 simple exercises that he teaches all his patients, men and women in their 70s, 80s, even 90s, to help them climb and descend stairs without pain, without fear, and with ease. According to him, these movements can restore the agility of someone 20 years younger, as long as they are practiced regularly and mindfully. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. At the end, I'll also show you a Japanese trick widely used in Okinawa that can make stairs immediately easier and safer. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next videos, especially if you want to keep walking, climbing stairs, and moving with ease well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. And tell me in the comments, where are you watching from today? I'd love to know where our community of healthy agers is growing around the world. Why does climbing stairs become so difficult over the years? Before learning the exercises, it's important to understand the reason behind this difficulty. Over time, almost all of us begin to lose muscle mass, a natural process called sarcopenia. This loss starts quietly around the age of 30 but accelerates after 50, and it mainly affects the muscles of the legs, hips, and thighs, precisely the ones we use to climb and descend steps. When these muscles weaken, simple tasks start to demand double the effort. Climbing a flight of stairs can cause pain, insecurity, or even fear of falling. But what Mr. Sato explained to me is that this is not an inevitable sentence. He told me the body doesn't age because it got old. It ages because we stop using it. And the good news is that there's a proven way to reverse sarcopenia. Progressive strength training, or PST. Strength training does that to the body. It wakes up the muscles, improves balance, and brings back lightness to movement. And that's where the 3 Okinawan exercises that Mr. Sato taught me come in part number 1. The slow sit and stand. This is the first exercise all of Mr. Sato's patients learn. He calls it the king of exercises because it works the 2 largest muscle groups in the body at once, the quadriceps, front of the thighs, and the glutes, back of the hips. Grab a sturdy chair and sit right on the edge, with your feet flat on the floor, slightly behind your knees. Place your hands in front of you, or on the sides if you need more stability. Now, push the floor with your feet and rise up until you're fully standing, tightening your legs and glutes. Then, slowly lower yourself down, feeling your weight and controlling the motion until you're seated again. The secret is in the rhythm. Stand up a bit faster and sit down slowly. That controlled descent is what truly strengthens the muscles, improves balance, and stabilizes the knees. Do 10 repetitions 2 or 3 times a day. If it feels too easy, cross your arms over your chest and avoid using your hands. If it's too hard, use your arms until you feel safer. Mr. Sato always said, slowness is the training of control. It's what teaches the body to trust again. And it's precisely that control that prevents stumbles, falls, and future pain. Number 2, the lateral step up after strengthening the front and back of the legs. It's time to work the sides, a forgotten but essential muscle group for balance, the gluteus medius. It's responsible for stabilizing the hips and keeping the body from swaying or falling while walking. For this exercise, you only need a low step. It can be the first step of a staircase or a small platform, about 10 centimeters high. Place one foot firmly on the step, keeping your body upright. Now push through the foot that's on the step, raising your body until the other foot joins it. Then step down sideways with control, and repeat. Keep your torso straight and avoid leaning to the sides. Start with 10 repetitions per leg and increase as you feel more stable. If needed, use a wall or railing for support. What matters is maintaining balance and control. Mr. Sato said this movement teaches the body to remember its center. Studies link greater hip strength to fewer falls in older adults. Strength and balance training programs significantly reduce the risk. Number 3, descending with control. Third exercise is perhaps the most important of all, because it helps with the most challenging part, going downstairs without pain or fear. A European study published in 2021 confirmed how powerful this movement can be. Older adults who practiced downstairs walking, stepping downstairs slowly and under control, significantly improved their leg strength, muscle mass, and walking performance in just a few weeks. To do it, step onto a low stair with both feet together. Now lower one leg slowly, controlling the descent until your foot touches the ground without letting your body drop. Then push with the lower foot and return to the top. This type of movement is called eccentric strengthening. It works the muscle while it lengthens, producing much more effective strength gains. You can do 10 to 20 repetitions per leg, once or twice a day. To make it harder, hold a light weight or wear a small backpack. During the exercise, keep your knee aligned with your foot. Don't let it cave inward. That protects your joints and improves posture. Alignment, Mr. Sato said this exercise teaches the legs to obey again. And it was amazing to see his patients, some over 80, going up and down steps with a lightness that seemed to defy age. Before saying goodbye, Mr. Sato showed me one last lesson, something that, according to him, makes all the difference. Most people try to climb by pushing their body upward or pulling themselves with the railing. But the secret is to change your center of gravity. He asked me to step onto a stair and said, "Now lean your torso slightly forward, as if bowing to the step." That small gesture changes everything. It shifts the body's weight forward over the feet, making the climb more natural, lighter, and safer. The body begins to work with gravity, not against it. This simple adjustment not only reduces knee pain, but also improves balance and control. It's a perfect example of Japanese philosophy. Strength lies in harmony, not in resistance. These 3 exercises are simple, require no expensive equipment, and can be done at home, anytime. But the secret lies in consistency. Do them every day with attention and patience. It's not a race, it's a practice of body awareness. In just a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. Stronger legs, a more stable body, and confidence returning to your movements. And the stairs, which once seemed like a challenge, will become just another natural part of your day. The people of Okinawa teach something precious. Aging well isn't about avoiding time. It's about caring for the body so you can keep living with lightness. So, treat your body with respect and presence. Do these 3 exercises daily. And remember, moving is the simplest and most beautiful way to thank life. Stay strong, keep moving, and as they say in Japan, genki de ite kudasai. Stay healthy and full of life.